Well, back here at home, a gym in Chester County is focused on lifting the employment rate of adults with autism. The fitness center partnered with the Westchester University, and it is giving students a chance to flex their skills. Action News community journalist Matteo Idenisi has that story.
2, 1, go. When I first started here, I was really nervous, but now I'm feeling a lot more confident.
Let's go!
Got it. My name is David Sharina. I go to Westchester University of Pennsylvania. I've been a WC Autism Program member since I got to Westchester. It's an organization that helps students who have autism spectrum disorder. I intern at Fitness Factory Westchester. It is run by Tyler Haynes. I've done a lot of graphic design. I've been doing some research and also a bit of photography and videography. I like the second part.
That's a good shot right there. As soon as we opened up our doors, we formed a partnership with the WC Autism Program. The relationship all started because I had a random chance encounter with the program director at a local coffee shop.
It's good to see you.
I asked and started talking to him about, like, would you ever have interns there? Could students come and work out? And Tyler was very, very accepting. He developed an entire orientation program and internship program for our students that really goes across 3 different semesters. Oh my gosh, this is so good.
Yeah.
So good.
So being able to provide that space and learn about themselves, learn about business, learn about the industry, they are provided with the opportunity to grow and evolve just, like everybody else.